Hello, this is Jo from Maths Tutor Me. Today we're doing perimeter, area and volume, and we're going to look at the volume of rectangular prisms. So, the volume of a rectangular prism can be found using the formula V for volume equals LWH, where L is for length, W for width, H is for height. Okay, and having them all next to each other means we're going to multiply them all together. So simply, if I want to find the volume of this rectangular prism here, I can use that formula. V is equal to LWH, length, width, height. So the length will be 27, width will be 14, and the height going back there is 23. It actually does not matter the order that you multiply the three numbers. As long as you have those three numbers, 14, 27, and 23, multiplied together, you will get the volume. So in the calculator for this one, 27 times 14 times 23 equals 8,694. Now because we're doing volume, we need to write our units here, which will be meters cubed. Okay, let's look at question 2. Find the volume of this rectangular prism in cubic centimeters. So all these measurements are in centimeters. So if I do the volume using V equals, let's move the calculator over here, our formula, which is LWH, the length, width, and height, these three measurements here, so 5 times 12 times 4 is equal to, times them together, 5 times 12 times 4 equals 240 centimeters cubed. Okay, then for B, it says find the volume in milliliters. Now remember in our previous lesson, we learned how to convert between centimeters cubed and milliliters. A centimeter cubed is exactly the same as a milliliter. So that volume is exactly the same as 240 milliliters. Question 3, consider the fish tank and find the volume in cubic centimeters. Well, yes, they're all in centimeters, so let's find the volume for A. V equals LWH is our formula. Our three measurements, 28 times 24 times 35 equals. Okay, units, that's centimeters cubed or cubic centimeters. Now we want that in liters. Centimeters cubed don't convert into liters straight away, but we do know that centimeters cubed are the same as milliliters. So let's say that's 23,520 milliliters. And milliliters can be converted to liters if we divide by 1,000. So that means going backwards with the decimal place 3 places. 1, 2, 3 makes it 23.52 liters. Okay, that's it for our lesson part of this video today on finding the volume. Time for you to practice what I've just shown you. Okay, so here are 3 questions. I want you to pause the video, give these 3 questions a go, and then restart to see how you went with the answers. So question 1, find the volume of this rectangular prism. So our formula is V equals LWH. Our length, width, and height are these 3 measurements. So 31 times 17 times 29. Using the calculator to multiply those, 15,283 millimeters cubed. Okay, that's done. Question 2, find the volume of this prism in cubic meters. Okay, they're all in meters, so we can use our formula. Timesing each of those numbers together, 4.5 times 1.6 times 2.3 in the calculator. 16.56 meters cubed. Now we want to convert that into kiloliters. Meters cubed are exactly the same as kiloliters. So that means the volume in kiloliters is 16.56 kiloliters. Question 3. A rectangular pool is placed in a backyard. If the pool is 9 meters long, 5 meters wide, and 2 meters high, how many liters of water can it hold? Okay, so you can draw a diagram of this if it helps. Okay, so it's a rectangular pool or a rectangular prism. It is 9 meters long, 5 meters wide, and 2 meters high. So to find how much water in liters that it can hold, first of all, we're going to have to find the volume. So using our formula, subbing in, we have 9 times 5 times 2. 9 times 5 times 2 is 90 meters cubed. Now, to get the answer we want here, we have to get this into liters. First of all, meters cubed are exactly the same as kiloliters. So we can make that change. Then we can change kiloliters to liters by timesing by 1,000. So timesing by 1,000, we want to add 3 zeros to this number here. 1, 2, 3, and it becomes liters. So there is 90,000 liters that can fit inside that pool. All right, that's the end of our lesson today, and it's actually the end of our topic. So next lesson, join me again and we'll have some revision questions for you. Bye.